How to speak perfect English. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't think that knowing English is too difficult. Everything can be mastered if you work hard and practice enough. You can speak wonderful English and have perfect pronunciation. If you just remember that learning a foreign language takes time, try to find a friend so that with you can study and practice together. Don't bother worry about your mistake. You text with charming voices and pronunciation. Always follow along and repeat after the speaker on the tape. It's important to making this learning a part of your daily routine. You should take English um, at your foot, learning from every mistake that you make.